Good morning students, class 8, welcome back, and today we are going to study about the pie chart. Okay, so what is actually a pie chart? Pie chart is the representation of a data by the help of the sectors of a circle. You know how? See, is suppose this is one circle and this is the center of the circle, and if I will draw two radius, okay, then this is called the sector of the circle. Means the area which is covered between two radii and this arc of the circle is called sector of the circle. Okay, so in the formation of the pie chart we will represent the data by the sector of the circle. Okay, so let us see now by the help of an example what is the process. Okay students, now see on the board question number 1 of exercise 17.2. In this question one table is given to us which is related to subjects and the marks obtained. Okay, in science 120, Hindi 75, maths 150, okay, like this, and we have to represent this thing by the help of a pie chart. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, we need the total. So here we have to first of all find the total, and if we will add all of these then we will get 540. Okay, now I had made two tables here because for making the pie chart we have to find out the central angles, and for finding out central angles we need to first of all just convert them into fraction, and then we will get the central angle. By the help of this angle we will be able to draw our chart. Okay, so in fraction means 120 divided by 540. In the same way 75 divided by 540, 150 divided by 540, 105 divided by 540, and 90 divided by 540. Means we have to divide each and every value by the total of these all things. Okay, now center. Okay students, after find out of this fraction we have to find out the central angle, and we all know that the complete angle in a circle is 360 degrees. So what we have to do, we have to multiply this fraction by 360 degrees, means 120 upon 540 into 360 degrees. Okay, in the same way 75 divided by 540 into 360. In the same way 150 divided by 540 into 360, 105 divided by 540 into 360, 90 upon 540 into 360, and now we have to solve it. Okay, after finding this thing the answers here will represent the needed degrees. Okay student, now see on the board I have written degrees 80, 50, 100, 70, 60, and I will tell you one small method. See, it is first of all try to solve this thing. 360 upon 540, 0 is cancelled by 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 8 is 24, 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Means the simplest form of 360 upon 540 is 2 upon 3. It means we have to, in case of 120, what I had done, 120 into 2 upon 3. 3 4s are 12, 40, and 42s are 80 degree. Means for everything 75 will be divided by 3, and whatever answer come multiply it by 2. Okay, this will make your calculations more easier. And now we will draw this thing on our pie chart. So we have the angles 80 degree, 50 degree, 100 degree, 70 degree, and 60 degree respectively for our subjects. Okay, now we have to draw any circle of any radius. Okay, this is having the center of this. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to take any radius, and we all know that this is circle and this is center. then this is 90, 90, 90, 90. Complete is 360 degree, and up to here it is, or we can say up to here. They are both 180 degree each. Okay. So accordingly we have to mark our things. 80 degree. Try to take the radius in a straight way. 80 means, suppose this is okay 90, so 80 means less than 90. So this is 80 degree. Okay, you can also use your protractor for marking it. Okay, in the same way we can mark 50 degree also. So just mark 50 degree. Okay, 100 degree also, we can say 100 degree, and 60 and 70, 70 and 60. So you can mark by taking any radius first. Okay, mark 80 degree, then take it, mark 50 degree, then take it, mark 100 degree, then take it, mark 70 and 60 respectively. I have just done it in a rough way here. And after doing this is 50 actually. What we have to do, we have to write the names. 80 degree represent science, so write it here, science. 50 degree represent Hindi, so write it here, Hindi. In the same way, maths, here English, and then your computer. Is it clear how to make a pie chart? First of all, we have to find out the fraction, and then we have to find out the central angle, and then we will make a circle of any radius, and on that circle, first of all, we will mark any radius. Okay, and then by the help of protractor, we will mark our respective angles, and after marking the angles, we will also write that this central angle is representing which thing. Okay. So students, so you have to complete your chapter 17, 17.1 and 17.3 was already explained in school yesterday. 17.2 concept I had told. Now complete this exercise in a very proper way in your fair copies. Okay. And do one thing, no need of doing all the questions. Do question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Just do question 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your fair copies. Thank you very much.